Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class first lesson, plants increasing the numbers lesson. Okay, previous class we will discuss in this lesson plants give us food. Our total life depends on the nature. Yes, nature is major part plants. Without plants we cannot live. And plants give us food. Cereals, pulses, vegetables, not only food, fiber, wood. Okay, these all comes from plants. These all comes from plants. Today we will discuss new plants from seeds. New plants from seeds. New plants from seeds. See children, why does a plant produce so many seeds? Why does a plant produce so many seeds? Because most new plants grow from seeds. Why does a plant produce so many seeds? Because most new plants grow from seeds. Yet all seeds do not grow into plants. Are you understand, children? Why does a plant produce so many seeds? Because new plants from seeds. Topic law. Why does a plant produce so many seeds? Because most new plants grow from seeds. Most of the new plants grow from seeds. That all seeds do not grow into plants. Here seeds. Okay. Seeds do not all seeds do not grow plants. All seeds do not grow plants. But here see, all plants, most of the new plants grow into seeds. Are you understand? All seeds do not grow into plants. Most of the new plants grow to the seeds. Most of the plants grow from seeds. Here seeds, children. Why all seeds do not grow into plants? Why all seeds do not grow into plants? Some seeds are not fully grown. When they are separated from parent plants. Here see children, why all seeds do not grow into new plants? First point, some seeds are not fully grown. When they are separate from the parent plants. Fully grown avvakamunde parent plant nunchi separate divide అయిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి this type of seeds they do not grow into new plant. Next point, some seeds are destroyed by strong wind or heavy rain, grown. This type of plants, this type of seeds also do not grow new plants. Some seeds are they destroy strong wind and heavy rain. This type of seeds also do not grow new plants. And another point C. Some seeds are eaten by insects. Some seeds eaten by insects. Eaten by insects. This type of seeds also do not grow into new plants. Some seeds are eaten by birds. Eaten by birds. This type of plants, this type of seeds also do not grow into new plants. Next, some seeds are not get into some seeds not get the right soil or enough air, water, warmth. Such seeds do not grow new plants. You understand, children? Some seeds not get the right soil or enough air, water, warmth. Warmth means study place. Study ga untundi kada warmth annamata. Such seeds do not grow new plants. Are you understand? Why does plant so many seeds produce? You can understand. Why does a plant so many seeds produce? How do you understand? Some seeds are eaten by insects. Some seeds are eaten by birds. Some seeds are move from heavy rain and strong wind. Okay. Some seeds are not get into the correct right place and right soil. And some seeds are not enough air, enough water, enough warmth. This type of seeds do not grow into new plant. Which type of seeds are they grow into new plant? See. Seeds that survive and get favorable conditions for their growth. Which type of seeds grow new plants? Seeds that survive and get favorable conditions for their growth, grow into new plants. I understand, children? Which type of plants are they grow? New plants. Seeds that survive and get favorable conditions for their growth, grow into new plants. Which type of seeds do not grow? Seeds do not fully grown seeds are they do not grow new plants. Seeds do not wait, children. Seeds I will write here. Seeds do not fully grown seeds are separated and parent plant. This type of seeds they do not grow new plant. Okay, now next step. Here, seeds are the move, strong wind and heavy rain. This type of seeds do not grow into new plant. eaten by insects, eaten by insects and birds. This type of seeds also do not grow into new plants. And some seeds are the not correct, not get correct soil. This type of plants also do not grow into new plants. I understand now? Seeds do not grow new plants. Which type of seeds do not grow into new plants? Do not fully grown seeds are the do not fully grown seeds are the do not grow new plants. Strong wind, heavy rain to move some seeds. This type of seeds also do not grow new plants. And some seeds are eaten by insects and birds. This type of seeds also do not grow into new plant. And some seeds are not getting correct soil, correct air, correct places, correct warm places. These type of seeds also do not grow into new plant. Which type of seeds grow? Here, favorable conditions. Favorable conditions for this type growth into new plants. Favorable condition of correct soil, correct air, correct place. Seed ఏమవుతుంది fully grow అయిన seeds are the grow into new plant. Are you understand? This is a new plants from seeds. Why does a plant seeds with so many seeds? Okay, now all seeds are not grown into new plant. Okay, so many seeds are the produce the plants. Are you understand? Next children, I given one activity. You can do this activity. Okay, now see. One project work. I given one activity. Take some or 3 or 4. Take 4 gram seeds. Soak in water. In few days. And after you can observe. Okay, how to change that seed. Okay, you can observe and say. Okay, children, understand?